Good morning. My name is Jeff Kauffmann, captain here at Station 3 on Beat Platoon, Salt Lake City Fire Department, serving the Sugar House community. And today we're going to make some chicken Caesar smashed tacos for lunch.
So Captain Kauffmann, who pays for the food for the station?
We actually have a kitty. So each shift, every firefighter that's here, we kick in $30, and that gets you 4 meals.
Wow.
You mean now?
Oh.
I'm big on like home style, like comfort food. We're big on Supper Club at Station 3. Like, I think it's important for us to sit down and eat a meal together, because you know it really is like a second family, and we get that family time when we're cooking and eating together. So, yeah.